As we can see, this headlight is working completely fine, and the one on this side, the driver's side, the bulb is dead, so we're going to be replacing it. We're going to start by removing the two T30 Torx screws at the top of the headlight. You can see the one there first on the left, and then the one on the right. The one on the right is actually shorter, and remove the plastic bracket as well. Next, we're going to locate the inner mounting screw that is silver and behind the low beam light. It is a 8mm or a T25 Torx. On the other side, there is an equivalent screw that is also behind the light, and we're going to remove that as well. You may not have to remove these, and instead just loosen them so that the light slides out. Carefully clear the light and move it forward, and remove the large plug with the two tabs on each side to get the headlight off of the vehicle. Set the light down on a soft surface and pop the two tabs at the top to open the door and swing it downward. Squeeze the silver clip at the bottom of the light and remove the tab so that you can pull the plug off. Rotate the light counterclockwise and then slowly pull the light out, and you can see it here with the plastic bracket still attached to it.
So you press on here, this pulls out. Comes right off the bulb. That gets reused. This is trash.
Wear a glove to make sure that you don't get any skin oil on the new bulb, and carefully remove the bulb from its packaging. We're going to use the existing black plastic collar, and there's two notches that line up on the new bulb to attach it, and then you spin it around and clip it back together. Insert the bulb at a 45-degree angle until it goes in, and then twist it to the right so that it's locked. Then take the existing silver plug and push it back on and make sure the pin pops. Then once it's connected, line up the cover and push it back on. Snap the clips into place. The light is now ready to be mounted back onto the vehicle. It's important to take your time and work slow and get it to fit properly when pushing it in. You don't want to rush this or break any of the plastic tabs, so just be mindful about what you're doing.
We just gotta play puzzle here. See this? We go like under that first.
We noticed it was easier to get the light back in if we unscrewed the round plastic cap from the other light cover on the inside. Once we put the light in, we were able to screw that black plastic cover back on. Now, just reinstall the lower mounting screws behind the light first. Using a magnet can help if you took them all the way out, but I would advise to not fully remove them and to just loosen them to get the light out. You can drop them behind the bumper and then they'll be hard to find.